Good morning, dear student of 10th class. Student, today we will study about the dihybrid cross of Mendel's experiment. What is dihybrid cross? This is called checkerboard or Punnett square method. डायहाइब्रिड क्रॉस को हम चेकर बोर्ड या पनेट वर्ग विधि के नाम से भी जानते हैं. इन दिस मेथड, इस मेथड में क्या होता है, मेंडल चूज टू अपोजिट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक. मेंडल ने दो विपरीत लक्षणों को चुना फॉर एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए. जैसे कौन कौन से, जैसे एक एग्जांपल के तौर पे अगर देखें, कलर ऑफ सीड, बीज का रंग, येलो एंड ग्रीन, पीला और हरा. शेप ऑफ सीड मतलब बीज की आकृति, राउंड एंड रिंकल्ड, ठीक है, गोल और झुर्रीदार. अब देखो क्या कहते हैं यहाँ पे कि इफ़ होम हो जाएगा येलो राउंड सीडेड, होम हो जाएगा येलो राउंड सीडेड, कैपिटल वाई कैपिटल आर, होम हो जाएगा इसका मतलब सेम वाई एंड अगर आर, ठीक है. प्लांट्स इज क्रॉस्ड विद ग्रीन रिंकल्ड जो है सीडेड प्लांट, देन इज F1 जनरेशन ऑल प्लांट्स वर येलो राउंड जो है सीडेड. टेक एन एग्जाम्पल, येलो राउंड वाई आर, कैपिटल वाई कैपिटल आर, इट इज़ होमोजाइगस कंडीशन. ग्रीन रिंकल्ड स्मॉल आर, and it is also homozygous condition. Both are parent generation. When they cross each other, then the F1 generation we will the result is F1 generation is capital Y, capital R and small r. In F1 generation, yellow rounded heterozygous condition are found. When these F1 generation is self-pollinized, then the four gametes are produced upper side and the four is lower side. Capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small r, capital R, small y, small r. Same here, capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R and small y, small r. And when they cross each other, then capital Y, capital R, okay, capital Y, capital R, small r, ठीक है, it is also yellow round. Capital Y, small y, capital R, yellow rounded. Capital Y, small y, capital R, small r, yellow rounded. All are yellow rounded. Next, capital Y, capital R, small r, yellow rounded. Capital Y, small r, yellow wrinkled. Both are small r, it means they are wrinkled. Capital Y, small r, yellow rounded. Capital Y, small r, it means yellow wrinkled. Both are show the recessive characteristics and they are wrinkled. Dominant characters always in capital letter and recessive character is in small letter. Capital Y, upper side capital Y, small y, capital R, yellow rounded. Same is there, capital Y, capital R, yellow rounded. Next is capital Y, capital R, yellow rounded. Capital Y, small r, yellow wrinkled. Same is there, small y, capital R, both are small y, it means both are recessive characteristics. So green and round. Same is green and rounded, and green wrinkled, or are in recessive characteristics. So green wrinkled. So this is the 16 para of this experiment. It is also called the Punnett square method and checkerboard. The result of the F2 generation, the phenotypic and genotypic ratio of F2 generation obtained by cell pollination in F1 generation is 9:3:3:1. 9:3:3:1. 9 yellow rounded. If we count yellow round, 9 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 is yellow round, ठीक है. 3 is green round is 3. Green round 1, green round 2 and green round 3, and yellow wrinkled is 3. Yellow wrinkled yellow wrinkled 1, yellow wrinkled 2, yellow wrinkled 3, and green wrinkled is 1, only one green wrinkled is 1. So there is the ratio 9% yellow rounded, 3% green rounded, 3% yellow wrinkled, and 1% green wrinkled. So the phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1. It is mentioned here, 9:3:3:3 and 1. And the genotypic ratio on the basis of the genetic structure, the capital Y, capital Y, capital R is only 1. This only 1. Same is there, capital Y, small y, capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, and capital R. This is the characteristic, is 2. Capital Y, capital R, small y is 2. So the ratio is 2, 1:2:2:4:1:2:1:2 and 1. So these are for the 16 characters boxes. So this is the genetic ratio of Mendel's dihybrid cross. So today's topic is completed. Thank you.